People of the world, what is going on? It is a cloudy Thursday. It's always cloudy. Literally always cloudy around here. And it's crazy windy out there right now. So as I mentioned in my last video, there is a chance for some storms either today or tomorrow. We're gonna get heavy rain tonight, so I might film a little bit of that for you. The winds are crazy. Hoping we don't lose power. There is a decent chance of that. It didn't happen last time, if you remember, with the tornado watch, so keep our fingers crossed. Hope we don't have to film a power outage, right? Don't wanna have to film a power outage. There's a high wind warning in effect, a flood watch too. Tomorrow, I was gonna take you guys storm chasing as well. The upper level low rotating counterclockwise from the north may bring down a chance of some small hail again. That might be cool. In other words, there's cooler air aloft again for tomorrow, and we do have some instability to work with. Today, it's mainly cloudy, extremely windy. I'll show you. So this is the current picture. It's always cloudy. Every single time I film, it seems like it's cloudy, so. Alright, so basically what we're doing is I'm heading to my writing spot a little bit. Gonna do some early evening writing. I'm always working on songs. Might see some really strong wind gusts out in the open. We're gonna be out in the open there, so while we're writing, I might film a little bit of the really strong wind gusts for you guys. Alright, so I'm at my writing spot right now. Like a wind-driven heavy rain in the fields over here, so. But I'm gonna be writing here for a little bit. What I usually do is I write on my phone and then I'll transfer it into paper. Here I am, doing some writing. Pouring right now. The wind is like literally pushing my car right now. It sounds like a tornado or thunder, but it's just so, the rain's just so heavy and the wind is so strong. It just makes it sound like a tornado. Coming down now. Crazy. It's just pushing my car. My car is actually shaking right now. Alright, so writing went good. I am going to go back now. I'll film a little bit on my way back home. I got a good amount accomplished. I got a decent amount done on a new song I'm working on. I'm working on a couple songs right now. A lot of times I work on a couple songs at once, so on our way home, on our way home, we're going home. We're back home from writing, and it is still raining. It's actually raining heavier than it was at my writing spot, so. Alright, so it is the next day. It's sunny for a change. Let me film this real quick before it gets cloudy again. There it is. Look at this sun. And you also notice we got some cumulus and cumulonimbus clouds in the background here. Hey, look at them. Could get a couple thunderstorms today. May try to go storm chasing a little bit locally around the area. And yeah. Alright guys, so it's afternoon time now. I'm going to be going on a little bike ride for a couple hours maybe, so after that we'll see if there's any storms that develop. If not, we'll take a little drive anyway. It's a beautiful day out, so going to get a little bike riding in, and then we'll check back and maybe we'll take a little ride later. Could be a couple storms that pop up, so we'll try to get in the middle of them and see what we can find. Alright, so I just got back from my bike ride. Pretty good workout, got cut short because of pop-up showers. So we are doing storm chasing now, and I'm actually going to just go down to my riding spot, actually, so might not need to go too far. Darkening skies. So we're back from the little drive around. Finally sunny again. So now I got work tomorrow. Gonna be doing maybe some filming in the morning or some after I get back from work. So yep. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post noties, those post notifications to get notified every time I upload. And as always, be sure to follow my Instagram at MattDeAngelisMusic. And I will catch you guys on the flip side.